How you doing? This is a judge-free area. Judge-free, judge-free. This is difficult to say. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to share with you my favorite products for the month of April. I'm going to show you some beauty related products and also some lifestyle products. I'm going to start with the makeup products and I have here the new City palettes by Essence. These are the latest eyeshadow palettes that they have released. I have done reviews and swatches and also makeup looks for all the palettes, and my least favorite from all of them is this one here, the Ola Rio palette. My most favorite palettes are the Good Day Sydney and also the Salou Paris palette. I also like the Hello New York palette. I just like it a little bit less than these two, but you can also create a lot of eye looks with this one. All the palettes are inspired by different cities: New York, Paris, Sydney, Rio de Janeiro. In each palette we have a mirror and I like the packaging of all the palettes. I hope that they will keep this city palette theme and that we're going to see more city palettes. Also, I think it would be a very nice idea if they started collaborating with YouTubers or Instagrammers and do city palettes. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think it would be nice. I was happily impressed with these palettes. Ding, 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 ding. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these and if you like them, if you have a favorite one. Speaking of good eyeshadow palettes, I have one more that I like a lot and I have been using more in March. This is the Naked Reloaded eyeshadow palette by Urban Decay. I have also done a review, swatches, makeup look video with this palette. I know it looks a little bit boring, but this is a very user-friendly palette. If you want some eyeshadows with color, this palette is not for you. As you can see, these are more neutral eyeshadows. I haven't done a lot of eye looks with this palette, but I have some ideas and I'm going to do more and more and more. Very shiny, shimmery eyeshadows, blendable, super buttery, soft, matte eyeshadows. Nice packaging, a mirror, lightweight, a lot of thumbs up for this palette. After that, I have two more palettes, but these are for the face. I have here one by Essence and this is by Catrice, and I'm going to start with the Hey Cheeks palette by Essence. This is a blush, bronzer, highlighter palette and it has what it says. The tropical design is super cute. The mirror that we have, not practical at all. It's nice that we have a mirror, but it's not easy. It is confusing to use. I just see my eye this way. I don't know, it's so difficult. It doesn't fit my face. The shades that we have are very nice. We have a super shimmery, beautiful champagne, shiny highlighter. This is what I like for my highlighter. Super pretty. You can take a fluffier brush to apply these two blushes if they are very dark for you. This one here, you can use it as an orange highlighter or as a shimmery blush. And we have two bronzing shades. This one here has a matte finish and this one has a shiny. I have also been using a lot this palette here. I love this palette. This is the Romantic Gardens Everyday Face and Cheek palette by Catrice Cosmetics, and as we can see, we have a super beautiful design on this palette too. We have a mirror. This is a very lightweight palette, very easy to travel with. The only thing that I don't like about this palette is that the arrangement reminds a lot of the Smashbox face palettes. If we forget that, the quality is great, and we have 3 blushes, 2 highlighters and 1 matte contouring shade. These are very easy to blend on the skin. Also the highlighters. Oh, this is my type of highlighters. I love them. This one here has a pink sheen. The other one is a champagne highlighter. I like this palette a little bit more than this one because I can use all the shades on me. You can find this one in 3 different color stories. I think that's very nice. You can get the palette that works for your skin tone. I like both of these. This one a little bit more. you know. Last month I have been trying some jelly makeup products, and one product that I actually liked a lot is this one here. This is the Jelly Lip Balm by Holika Holika. This smells fantastic. It has a very nice strawberry scent. It's not artificial. It doesn't remind you that this is a chemical scent. Oh, it smells so good. This one gives a corally shade on the lips. It is very shiny and hydrating. The formula is so lightweight that you don't feel you have something on your lips. It is shiny, lightweight, not sticky. It has everything. Following that, I also want to show you some lashes. These are very noisy. Let me show you the lashes. I will start. I'm starting with the $1 lashes from Shop Me Say. These here are the Aria lashes, and they are very similar to the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. If you want something natural but you want to make your lashes fuller and a little bit longer, these are the lashes for you. They are blending very nicely with your own natural lashes. If you don't want something dramatic, these are the lashes for you. Next we have the Alexis lashes that I absolutely love. I have placed an order for 2 6-pack of these false lashes because they are the perfect lashes for my eye shape. They are not super long and also super short. Also, I like the curve of the lashes. The Alexis lashes are a little bit longer than the Aria lashes. They are a little bit more glamorous, I would say. Another pair from the Shop Miss A website is this one here, the Luella. I didn't like this, but I want to show them to you. These are very fluffy and messy on the edges, and they were not blending nicely with my natural lashes. That was my problem. Another style that I like is this one here, the Lenny Lash false lashes. This is number 117. I think these lashes are $3, very affordable as well. And oh, what happened? They moved. Go back to your place. I have used these I think 5 times. They are super long lasting, and I think I can use them more times. The difference with the Alexis lashes is that these are longer. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite pair of false lashes. Do you use them? Do you like them? I like them, but not for every day, especially if I want to get ready in the morning. I'm not going to apply false lashes. Next we have some nail polishes. A lot of times you ask me what nail polish I have on my nails. I'm going to show you. Today actually I have, let me tell you, I have this Essence gel. It is gel. The gel nail polish. This is not a gel polish. This is just a nail polish. The name is confusing. And the shade is 90 Hot Red Chili. I also have some of the new nail polishes that they have. Now they look like this. Super pretty. I had these last month. This is the shade 39 Mermaid Tails. This one is the 45 Creating Memories. This one was before this one here, and this is the 47 Forget the Rules. With this one you need to use a base coat because it is staining the nails. My nails now are very yellow. I wanted to let them for a couple of days without any nail polish on, but I can't because they look very yellowy and disgusting because of this color here. To be fair, on the packaging it says use a base coat, but it doesn't say that it is staining the nails. I used this one on top of all the nail colors. This is a clear nail polish. It is called One Absolute Pure. I was at the drugstore because I wanted a new clear top coat, this one here. My husband said, okay, let's get some new colors, and he picked up these for me. This one here is the 7 Party Princess. Super pretty. It is glitter. It's not easy to remove. This one is number 2, Crushed the Party. These are basically clear nail polishes with glitter. This one has a pink transparent color that doesn't make sense. And this one is a clear with silver glitter. This one by Kiko Cosmetics is number 46. I love this blue on my nails. I also like these two trendy up nail colors. This is 250 and this is 290. Now it's time for the lifestyle products. My favorite perfume at the moment is this one here. This is Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel Paris. This is not a very strong scent. It's not very flowery or fruity. On me it is long lasting. I don't use a lot because I don't want to overpower everyone. I'm not a lot into perfumes, but I always like having one or two that I use every month, and I'm going to have here all the notes. This was a present for my name day. It was on 1st of January and my husband gave it to me. Let me know your favorite perfume at the moment. I used to like very sweet scents, but now I don't like them. There is no way that you will guess the next product. No way. The next product is a gadget. This here is a pair of wireless headphones and I use them to listen to my audiobook. At the same time, I'm also reading the hard copy of the book. I find that this way it is easier for me to learn more vocabulary, and also I'm listening to the correct pronunciation. I didn't tell you about the book. This is The Well of Ascension, the Mistborn Book 2. This is from Brandon Sanderson, and I have also read the first book. To be honest, I haven't read this book for about 2 months now. I think after I got sick, I stopped reading this. I need to start again because I want to finish this, and I have one more book in the Mistborn series. So these headphones are from the brand Sennheiser. It is a German company. Speaking of sickness, I was drinking a very specific tea. This one here. These are fig tree leaves. What am I talking about? This is a makeup channel. Hear me out. The first days that I got sick, I had a very high fever, and after a few days I started having a very bad cough and a very dry cough. It was very difficult for me to calm down, and I started using these 2 or 3 leaves every day, not more than 3 cups of tea. Don't drink a lot of this tea. It is not going to be good for your stomach. Every time that I was drinking this, I was feeling a lot better. After that, I have some magnets here. These are from Primark and the price is €3.50. The theme of these magnets is the TV show Friends. This is one of my favorite TV shows. I watch it every day on Netflix. I know it is very random, but I like these magnets. I'm losing my voice. How you doing? Where is Pivot? Oh yeah, Pivot. Oh my god, that episode is hilarious. The lobster, the sofa, the umbrella. I don't remember something with the umbrella. Phoebe's guitar, the fountain here. Is this the smelly cat? Or maybe Rachel's cat? How you doing? Let me show you the magnets. The first one here is the logo. The show started in 1994 and ended in 2004. I started watching Friends, I think in 2009. I think I was doing my bachelor degree. Phoebe's taxi. This one I don't remember. Is this on Monica's door? I'm not sure. Oh my god, I don't know what is this. And the lobster that I gave to my husband, I took it back just for this video. I'm going to give it back to him now. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite product of this month. Lifestyle, beauty, whatever you like, cooking, food. This is a judge-free area. Judge-free. This is difficult to say. You can watch here some more products that I like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!